Like any Roboze machine, the One+400 Xtreme 3D printer is equipped with a beltless system. This adoption of the rack and pinion guarantees a mechanical precision of 15 microns while also sustaining printing speeds of up to 4,000 millimeters per minute. Unlike systems equipped with belts, the Roboze One+400 Xtreme has low maintenance operations. It consists of simply applying a thin layer of grease. This allows for no downtime, no calibration, and no difference in processing over time, giving you the same production process year over year. Before each print, the Z-axis automatically calibrates, setting the correct distance between the build plate and the extruder. This compensates for any change in tolerance related to the wear of the film or installed extruder. Together with the automatic leveling of the plane, the Z-axis calibration system makes the process repeatable over time. The Roboze One+400 Xtreme can process super-polymers and composite materials like PEEK and carbon PEEK. This is done with our patented pending extrusion system called HVP extruder. The device is designed to facilitate the 3D printing of high viscosity polymers. The compressed air cooling system allows you to manage long prints with extrusion temperatures up to 450 degrees Celsius. This ensures low dimensional tolerances while reducing the shrink rate of the material. When working with superpolymers, having an optimal adhesion of the first printing layer becomes fundamental. Instead of glass plates or using glue on micro-perforated surfaces, Roboze systems use specific polymers films for each filament type. It is then heated up to 150 degrees Celsius through a vacuum system. This solution not only guarantees perfect flatness of the part, speeds up and simplifies the machine setup operation. This reduces setup time and increases the efficiency of the device. The build volume of the Roboze One+400 Xtreme is 300 by 250 by 220 millimeter. The Roboze One+400 Xtreme is equipped with a materials drying system. The HT filament dryer is a device designed to dry the filaments and keep their properties in a reliable way during the entire 3D printing process. The system completely integrates into our printers, enabling automatic loading of the filament and controlled with end-of-filament sensors. The result is faster, high-quality prints and reducing the time during the pre-printing phase.